Okay. My friend Georgia is in from Denver.
Hey.
And she got us a little treat and we're gonna unbox it! Okay. Oh my god. So cute! Margaritaville. Our back porch is called Margaritaville and everything we do is Margaritaville themed.
They're awesome.
And also, every time we get together for a holiday, we wear headbands.
Wait, the margaritas. Aloha.
I want to be this. Oh, or do I want to be the crab?
Happy Margaritaville weekend.
So cute.
Wasted away again and Wait.
Dude, these are great.
I think I like these ones more.
The options are endless.
The options are
There's like 32.
so endless. These are fantastic.
Aren't they so fun?
I love